Hi everyone, this is Josie with First the Coffee Crochet. Welcome back to my channel. In this stitch tutorial, we're going to go over how to do the half double crochet moss stitch. Like the regular moss stitch, it does have a meshed-like appearance, only it is a little more open. Where the regular moss stitch will use the single crochet, this one uses the half double crochet. It does have the same appearance on both sides, and this would be a good stitch to use in things such as scarves or blankets. So to start doing the half double crochet moss stitch, you'll want to start out with a foundation chain that's an odd number. Right, and then to begin your first row, you'll want to start in the third chain from your hook. So that's 1, 2, and 3. And we'll just start with doing a half double crochet. So you'll just yarn over, insert your hook into that third chain, yarn over again and pull up a loop, and then yarn over and pull through all 3 loops on the hook. So this will give us our first half double crochet here, and this will count as a chain space. Then you want to chain 1, you'll skip 1 chain, and then do a half double crochet in the following chain. Then you'll chain 1 again, skip the next chain, and do another half double crochet. And we're just going to do this all the way across the foundation chain, and the last stitch will be a half double crochet. Okay, so at the end of your chain, you should be skipping the next to the last chain, and then you'll be doing one last half double crochet in this last chain. And then to start the next row, you'll chain 2, turn your work, and now we'll be working in these chain spaces. So in this first chain space here, do a half double crochet, and then for the next row, this here will count as a chain space at the end. Then chain 1, skip the next stitch, and then into the next chain space, do a half double crochet. Chain 1 again, and then next chain space, half double crochet. We're just going to do this all the way across. Then at the end of this row, remember this turning chain at the start of the foundation chain. So you're going to do a half double crochet into that. And then like before, you'll chain 2 to start a new row. Turn your work. Then again, in this first chain space, we'll be doing a half double crochet. Just as before, we'll be doing this all the way across the row. Doing 1 half double crochet in the chain space, chaining 1, and then doing another half double crochet in the next chain space. And at the end of the row, like before, you have that beginning chain space from where you did the chain 2 at the beginning of the row. So just do a half double crochet into that. And that is how you do the half double crochet moss stitch.